Okay, so hi guys. Today we're going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator for the fourth time. So we're going to check the stockings. Ooh, micro converter. That's nice. And of carbon field dice. Oh yeah, I guess I'll summon Honeystone. I know no. I think you're meant to do that like 3 seconds. 3 seconds ago. Okay, so that's honey. And then I will kiwi. Oh, King Boots is here. This is easy. I really want to collect it, but I don't want to ruin this. No, I'm just gonna stay here. Come on, let's do it. There we go. Only half of this. Oh, I'm having a very laggy day. 5 magic beans! What a neon! 25 moonshines! Oh, I can probably level up the bee. Oh. Ding, 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 so silly. Ding, ding. Ha, ha, ha. Okay. Oops, wait. Okay, so I ended up disconnecting, but I was going to level up my Bumblebee. So, leveling up my Bumblebee. Okay, so I leveled up Bumblebee. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11 8 level bees. So, Yarn YouTube. And what's that other guy? Oh, he's subbing. Oh, I forgot. He went to sub to my channel. Yeah. Thanks, whoever that was. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you the plan. So the plan is we're going to try and get Crimson Bee. Maybe like in the 5th or 6th episode. So I just need... How much tickets do we need? 100 more tickets. I could buy 3 golden eggs with that, but I won't, because I'm saving up. Conversations be like, wow, I got 5 glue from a werewolf. Ha. Is that rare? I don't know. Conversations be like, yeah. So I just started recording so he can be on YouTube. Laggy McLag. Wow. Boy. Because the Sprout, I'll be back when... Okay, so Sprout is done. Let's get those strawberries. Need to be level 5 for so... Moon Sprout. Guess I'll burn the one. I got Moon Sprout. Take a bit. I just got a little bit confused there. Okay, too much people are planting sprouts. So a sprout has appeared. And this active thing is planted as sprouts. That's me, by the way. Cool. Is planted as sprout. Me, Love Mason is planted as sprout. And this thing is planted as sprout. That's also me. New user 3229 has planted a moonflower. Cool, just planted a moonflower. Cool, has planted a rare sprout. And planting so many sprouts. And Cool has planted a moon sprout. Okay, I think you planted way too much sprouts. Wait, I'm trying to get on you. Wait, come back. I'm gonna get on YouTube. You're still unfortunately be equipped from the last beeswax. Also, last beeswax I got from Terraria from Spider. Also, have you noticed like those cobalt tokens that I'm going to show soon? Sorry about that. So, have you noticed like those? Wait, who's in the sprout? Who's in the sprout? Well, at least sprout is done. Sorry if you can hear anything in the background. Okay, I just need to say... isn't that the best joke ever? Am I right? See, he thinks it's funny. He thinks it's funny. Why? Everyone in this room is so OP. At least nobody has backstab. Because if they did, that would be an oof for me. Okay, but anyway, I think it's time to end off the video. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe like that one guy in the video just did. I'm not trying to be like drill or anything, but bye. I mean, we're still playing.